I'm so hungry.
Same here.
I hope Mom's making tuna casserole.
I smell something. But it doesn't smell like tuna. It smells like cookies!
The fresh cookies. Don't touch it. Fresh out of the oven. Don't touch it yet.
Hey, she said to not take them yet. Hey, you took more.
Fine, here.
Okay, now we have 6.
6.
Maggie!
Hey Jake,
Hey Maggie, how was your gymnastics practice today?
it was hard, but that's okay because every day and every way I get better and better.
Where is Victoria? Don't you two usually walk home together?
We usually do, but his mom picked her up early from swim today because she had a doctor's appointment.
So that explains Sam wasn't here today.
Yeah, I was just going to their house right now. Do you want to come with?
Yeah, sure.
I miss Menton.
Hello, children. You're here to see Victoria and Sam. They're in the dining room. Jake and Maggie are here.
Yay!
Hi. Those cookies look good.
We have 12.
Let's give them 3 each.
Hey Riley, what you eating?
Chicken. I love chicken. You know who else loves chicken?
Who?
Victoria. Maybe we should go to her house and see if she wants any.
Let's do it.
Do you smell what I smell? Cookies!
Forget chicken. Let's go in there and get some cookies.
Oh, who's here?
Chicken. Sam, Victoria, Alex, and Violet are here.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
See you guys.
It smells so good in here.
Yeah, it's the cookies. Let's give them one.
That was a terrible performance. How am I supposed to be taken seriously with actors who don't even listen to their own director? What can it be now? What's wrong with them?
I think it's just the smell.
What smell?
You don't smell it? It's cookies.
So you're telling me if I gave them cookies, they'd all of a sudden listen to me? Yummy. What are they doing?
I think they're following the smell.
They're not in a state to be walking by themselves.
Let's go follow them.
Okay. Stop! You can't just barge into someone's house when you don't even know them. Wait, I recognize this house. This is my Aunt Sally's house. She'll let us in.
Who can it be now?
Hello, Dennis.
Hi, Aunt Sally.
Sam, Victoria, your cousin is here with some friends. Make sure to share any leftover cookies with them.
That smells delicious.
Can I have one?
Can I have one? Can I have one?
Snickerdoodles, my favorite.
Well, I guess we can give them one.
Cheers.
Thank you.
But we don't have any more cookies! Mom?
Come on here.
What are you doing here?
I brought cookies.
We already have too many cookies.
Too many cookies? There's no such thing as too many cookies.
Some Victoria, Grandma's has more cookies.
Yay!